I bought this new ignition coil from my local Ford dealer for $95. The part number is DG-5081X. The additional part number is 3W7Z-12029-AA. This is the correct ignition coil to use for my 4.6 liter V8 engine in my 2004 Ford Crown Victoria. Touch the black test lead to the left and the red test lead to the right with the multimeter set to 200 ohms. We get a resistance of 0.9 ohms on the 2-pin primary coil. I bought this new ignition coil to test because I could not find the exact resistance specs on the internet. I am testing it a second time and get the same reading. Set the multimeter to 20k ohms, touch the black test lead to the spark plug terminal and the red test lead to either of the two primary coil pins. We get a resistance reading of 5,410 ohms. I am switching the test leads and we get the same reading testing either one of the two primary pins. I am testing all 8 of the old used ignition coils out of my Crown Victoria, and I am getting very close to the same readings as the new ignition coil on all 8, so I will install them back into the engine, which saves a lot of money because they all test like new. You can click on episode 10 of this 2004 Ford Crown Victoria in the link right here.